Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome you. And if you have been here before, thank you for your viewership. In today's recipe, we are going to be making a very popular Jamaican Easter staple, and that is Jamaican Easter Bun. If you haven't had Jamaican Easter Bun and cheese, I can guarantee your Easter is missing something for sure. The flavor of these Jamaican Easter bun are definitely worth the try. To begin making our Easter bun, we have an array of ingredients. We have eggs and butter. We have the aromatics over here and the jam. We have our fruits over here. Over here we have spices. We have our malt, and we have flour, sugar, and baking powder. We're gonna start off by sifting our dry ingredients. So we're adding some baking powder, salt, ginger, cinnamon, grated nutmeg, half of grated nutmeg, so now we're gonna whisk everything together. The room is bursting with spices. I love hot cross buns and I love Jamaican Easter buns as well. Bun and cheese. And you can find hot cross buns on my channel as well. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna sift the flour and the spices. This is gonna give us a very light bun and take off all the lumps from in there. As you can see, some lumps in there. You could press it in. And this is our last batch. So we're gonna put this off to the side and we're gonna go in with our wet ingredients. We have two malt, different types. One is a tiger and one is a power, and I like to mix them. We have egg and lemon zest. Vanilla, browning. This is homemade browning and you can find this on my channel. 2 tablespoons of rose water, melted butter, and get everything in. So we're gonna add some apricot jam. You can use any kind of jam that you like, but apricot works fine for me because this is what I put in my black cake as well. I'm adding some sugar, brown sugar, and this is our wet mixture. And let's add the dry to the wet in small amounts at a time. I'm going to use the whisk and whisk it. And while I'm doing that, I am adding raisins, currants, I don't consume alcohol, so I don't put any alcohol in this. As it begins to foam up, then I'll add the rest of fruits. Let's add some more. I'm adding half of fruits in here. I'll add the rest on top. And this is done. I am using a food scale to add the butter because I want them to bake the same time. I'm putting them about half. 1,200. Get another 1,200. And then I'm going to distribute them. And this is done. A little bit of fruits at the top. Not too much because it's going to make it very, very sweet. And then we're going to add one cherry in the middle. We're baking this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until a toothpick inserted will come out clean, and this should take about 45 minutes to an hour. We're making the glaze by adding some butter to a saucepan, some apricot jam, about 3 tablespoons, and honey. I'm putting this on the stove and it's gonna melt down. I'm gonna let it simmer for about 3 minutes, and this is what it looks like. If you are still watching this recipe, you can support me by subscribing to the channel and dropping a comment in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and share, and this will help me and encourage me to make more content. These buns are done, and now we're going to brush them with the glaze and allow them to cool before we cut into them. Be sure to check out some more of my videos, including hot cross buns. I have about 7 recipes of hot cross buns on my channel, and the recipes will be down in the description box. I'm going to serve this up with some bun and cheese. These are amazing. And here you have it, Jamaican Easter Bun. Thank you for joining. See you on another good day for another great recipe. Bye for now.